Welcome everyone to this new interview, and we are here today with Fetique. Did I pronounce that right? Awesome. Okay, we are here today, and I'm so excited to talk to you. And I want to just start with you telling us a little bit more about yourself, where you're from, and what you're up to.
Yeah, my name is Fetigue. I'm originally from Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast is the west part of Africa. And I live in the United States for a little over nine years now. So yeah, I have family here. I'm a dad of two little boys, one boy, one girl. And my wife is Canadian.
Oh, that's awesome. I'm in Canada too. Awesome. Okay, so before you came to BotTronic, did you have any experience with Forex trading?
Yes, I did. Before coming with BotTronic, I got some exposure with Forex. Totally disaster. Never
Did you try it out yourself, or were you using bots or traders or anything else?
Yeah, I started out trying myself, but that me being so having that fear, anxiety, being impatient, all those stuff that involved the Forex space were always overtaking me, and I was always blowing account. Yeah, so my first year was a disaster. And I quit for a little while and come back.
Okay, so how did you come across us? How did you find it?
And that did actually happen to Zeb. Zeb, because I follow him on Telegram, and I learned about the channel. I learned about BotTronic, and I was like, wow, this is something unique and different. And I would like to go and give it a shot.
Awesome. So tell me about the subscription that you have chosen, and why did you choose that one?
All right. So I've been trading myself for a little over a year, and me seeing myself having that anxiety, learn books, read chart, do all those things, RSI, MAC, all those stuff, read books. It never works for me. I even end up paying people with a shouldn't have done that. The manager account for me, it never worked for me as well. So the reason why I choose electronic is because I felt like that's a bad. There is no pretty much emotion, but bad don't have human emotion. So if I use a bad versus me doing myself, I can have less anxiety in trading. So we will go in and out, and I will not have to worry about what's going on behind the scenes. Versus human being, I do have emotion. So that's what the key point. The no emotion factor that a bot use to manage the account versus me managing myself.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, even the manual subscriptions that we have, is not that you are doing it. It's like we are doing it for you. But I can see that you are wanting to see the action, and that's what the bot, the BotTronic, actually does. It will give you a lot of trades. So how you've been here, I think just over a month. So how has your experience been so far in terms of how it's performing?
I think that, to be honest with you, that's my first month seeing an account growing. You had me blowing, because every time an account, I was having a Forex account, it never takes 2 to 3 weeks and the account is gone. As you people know, Forex, is a multi-million-dollar market and you're trading against games. So, if you don't know what you're doing, you blow account. So actually, pretty much right now, it has been amazing. Why? Because I don't have MT4 in my phone. I don't even install the app on my phone. I think it was a few days ago, went to check it out, see, wow, there was a lot of trade that has been taken. But what amazed me is even during the pandemic and all of those things that was going on around the world, the bot still trading, and the bot didn't even blow my account. So I did experiment, little drawdown, which really did happen, which is normal, but I'm basically hoping and aiming for basically better and greater results.
Yeah, and when you got into BotTronic, did you find it easy to set it up? Were you satisfied about how we explain things and things like that?
Yeah, I did everything myself. When I got stuck in the process, I basically got a contact with support, and it was pretty fast. I thought even in BotTronic, everybody's in the same time zone, but I heard that it was a different time zone. Like those people don't sleep. I'm the United States, those people are in Europe and all that, and we all basically. So I got everything I need. Everything was pretty simple, but I run through some hiccup where I was doing the setup. Was a little confused. I asked question to the Telegram group, support helped me. They said, hey, go and put your ticket in the queue. I did all the stuff. The same day I was plugged in. The next day, my bot already started running. So that was phenomenal.
Awesome. And if someone and the broker, let's talk about that, because we have a few choices. So which broker did you decide to choose? Because you are in the US, so you are a little bit limited, but which one did you go with?
I decided to go with Hugo's Way. Yeah, I decided to go to Hugo's Way because me personally, Hugo's Way because it's easier for me to deposit, it's easier for me to withdraw on it, my accounts. And I like the leverage they're basically offering, which basically match exactly what I want. And I also like the customer support. So I just chose Hugo's Way because that was what I wanted. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So if someone is watching this interview and they're new to Forex, so what would be the best advice you could give them if they are interested in joining or trying out BotTronic?
The best, if they're joining BotTronic, I would definitely recommend the Lightronic. Why? Because of the percentage and the result you can get. So we basically aiming. Again, past performance doesn't guarantee any future result. We're aiming for 30%. If we go above that, great. Are we aiming for that? Which I really love it. And there's many trades. I like more trade. More trade for me equal more money. Possibility to make more money, which I love it. In addition to that, I would just say, if you can take the stress, just remove empty fault from your phone and let the things do what it's supposed to do. Phenomenal. Jeff is a phenomenal CEO. I never seen that before because, I mean, and people also should literally not adding any additional trade, even they know what they're supposed to be doing. Just remove everything. Let the app come close to the end of the month, 2 or 1 week before the end of the month, and come and see the magic. And you will not be disappointed because the company is phenomenal. No matter what happening, they got your back, and you guys do a great job. So I love it.
So, what do you feel is a great investment range? Because Lightronic, the range of your investment is between $1,000 and $10,000. What if someone thinks to himself, okay, I want to really be able to withdraw a couple of $100 a month? What would you say is a good investment range to start with?
I would say, me personally, I would recommend between 2,000 and 3,000 to start with Lightronic. Even the corporate said to 1,000, but I would recommend 2,000 to 3,000. Why? Because of course it allows you, easily to basically go up the ladder and make more money. But in addition to that, the profit that's supposed to be making is great. Now, above and beyond that, one of the things that the factor that I like is at the end of the week, probably at the end of the month, I would say that if you want to log in and basically withdraw some profits, which personally I do recommend that at the end of the month, get some money off the table and let some money in if you want, basically keep on compounding. I really love that aspect of the aspect of compounding, compounding going in that. My goal for instance, I'm not asking anybody, but it's 10 baht. That's my goal. I want to have 10 baht because that 10 baht, I make the math and that's my finish to the number. So.
Yeah, that's awesome. So BotTronic has a affiliate program, so we're always, supporting our affiliates to spread the word about what it is that we're doing. Are you currently referring people to BotTronic?
Yes, I do. I have people that I start sharing the opportunity with. I have a lot of influence and impact in the French community, which I do speak French. And I start involving. I'm not really translating, but I'm sharing the information with the French community. I do have a French group, and I start exposing. Going a little to the baby steps because it's going to require some translation, and I'm working with the company at the moment, waiting for them to come with all those material in all those different languages so I can introduce to them. But I already started with my French community here in the United States, which I already start introducing and sharing
Yeah.
them. And definitely, which is good because I already have some money in my account.
Yeah, I'm noticing that the conversations that the affiliates are having about BotTronic are overall positive, because the number one thing that BotTronic is doing is putting people back in control of their money. We don't take their money, but like we have nothing to do with that, and we are offering a service that is allowing people to tap into real trading, while controlling their funds on the phone or on the laptop, whenever they want. They can stop it at any time that they want to. So I think that's a game changer in this environment, and all of the things that I have seen over the years. I can definitely say that BotTronic is taking things to the next level with that.
Yeah, we're definitely going to a different level, especially with this industry of Forex slash other industry that I don't want to mention, but technically there's a lot of bad things out there. The fact that we have 100% control of our fund, BotTronic is definitely a game changer, for sure.
Yeah. So if you were to think about it, like when you came to BotTronic and you saw the first presentation and the information that we provide, do you feel that we have met your expectation or even exceeded that?
Oh yeah, most definitely. The expectation has been above and beyond, 120% compared to. Let's see this different aspect. For me personally, the first thing that matters is customer support, services. The way those services are delivered, you understand that the company is not going nowhere. And if you even decide to retire one day, your money is good. It's good. So that's one of the things that I really love. So, definitely above and beyond, expectation has been met. And even some of my referral who basically run through issue and the company resolve it. They didn't even have to do it, but I did it anyway. I love the company.
Yeah, thank you. That's a good compliment to receive. So if you had to rate us on a scale from 1 to 10, where 1 is really bad and 10 is really good, what number would you give us?
I would give the company an 8. An 8. You say 8, 10 being really good. Okay, so I'll give the company an 8. And why not a 10? Because we're still young and we're still growing, and there's still a lot to do. And I know the company will basically reach that 10 for sure.
Yeah.
For me, it really matter. It's not only about me, but it's about also the people that I introduce the business model to.
Yeah.
If the company is taking care of them, I'm good.
Yeah, I'm personally very excited about the fact that we are going to be adding crypto copy trading soon. We are in the process of adding that. So then we have Forex and we have crypto copy trading. And I think that that's going to really cover a lot of the things that people are looking for. They want the best of both worlds. They want to trade in currencies, they want to trade in crypto, and we'll both have that inside of the software. So I'm like really excited about that one as well.
Yeah, for sure. No financial advice, but I usually say that you basically somebody the real estate market. If you get 4% out of the real estate market, oh my God, that's a beautiful year. You can never get that. The bank never even give you anything. In fact, they take your money and just dump it out into the forex market and give you bazillion amount of money. But you get a chance to basically take your assets and just put that and let the magic basically do itself. It's a beautiful thing.
Yeah, absolutely. Awesome. I'm going to invite you in a few months again to see where you're at that moment in time. And by that time, I'm sure we have the crypto trading, and you're going to be one of the people that's going to try it out and see how that's going to go. So I'll invite you back in a few months and do another interview, and we'll see how you go then. And for now, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to come talk to me here on social media. And yeah, it was a great interview. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and my pleasure. Thank you for giving me the time to basically, share what I have been learning so far in BotTronic. Thank you.
And everyone who's watching, in the description below, the link of Fetique is going to be in here. If you want to sign up through him, then absolutely is there for you. I'm going to add his Telegram contact information as well. So if you want to have a chat with him, you can go right ahead and do that. For now, we will see you in the next interview. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We are on a mission to redefine and simplify bot trading in the Forex markets. This means we are taking automated copy bot trading to the next level. Plan like a human, trade like a machine. Quick, precise, and free from emotional influence. Are you tired of staring at the screen, waiting for the right opportunity to land in your lap? Then let me show you how we can make a difference. Registered and verified, partnered with official brokers, 100% transparency on trades. BotTronic is on a mission to build a worldwide community and make copy trading accessible to a wide range of people through our subscription service. Let me explain how it all works. You are in total control at all times through an official Forex broker. We don't manage your money. You only pay us a fee to use our service to trade automatically with our experienced team of traders. Setting up and getting started with BotTronic is simple. We've got you. We like to keep things simple, so we have developed various subscriptions for you to choose from. No nonsense and straightforward. All budgets are covered. So, about our affiliate program. Do you have a network? Referring to people is simple. You can earn a monthly passive income from every subscriber you introduce to the platform, and for as long as your subscriber stays with us, you get paid. The program is based on 3 levels of referrals. You can definitely build a legacy income with us. Are you ready to trade like an expert? Then create your account today. This is how. Contact the person who introduced you to BotTronic and ask for the referral link. Create your account and follow the comprehensive manuals we have available in the dashboard. We are redefining bot trading and want to help you redefine your financial abundance. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to welcome you to BotTronic.